Hey everybody, Dave here with Wags Automotive, and today I thought I'd get away from my house and all the stress that I'm dealing with that and make a nice video for once. So, I'm at,
the green ticket,
hold on a second,
76, 6007.
I'm at
76, 6007.
Sorry, I'm at Willow Springs Car Show in Willow Springs, Missouri, and it's a little town, only about 2,100 people, but there's a bunch of cars here. So well, let's walk around and see what we got. All right, let's walk around, check it out. We'll check my car out first. Here we go. Okay, so here's my car, in case you guys haven't seen it. I've had this car for, let's see, I've had it for 40 years this year. Bought it in '83. Now it's 2023, so I've owned this car for 40 years, built it from the ground up. 70 Chevelle SS, 355, about 450 horsepower, old school candy, pearl paint job with 3 different color candy apple stripes. Yep, she's a beauty. I get a lot of compliments on it. A lot of people telling me it reminds them of the good old days when they used to cruise the strip.
My son bought it.
So, there's that car. Wheelie bars on the back. She used to be a drag racer. Not anymore. A couple of stickers you might like to read. They've been on there a while. Everybody always gets a tickle out of that.
Just simple stuff.
All right. Well, there's my ride. Got the old school Mr. Gasket scoop on the engine. Those became popular back in the 80s when I built this car. And I've had that one the whole time. Survived a fire even. Here's a rat rod next to me, 33 Plymouth. Except it's got a Chevy motor in it, but that ain't no surprise.
Another door prize.
Pretty cool.
Green ticket, 76, 6012. 76.
Let's walk around and see what we got. We got a Impala here. I'm not sure what year this one is. I think it's a 65 or 66, I want to say. 66 Impala. Got a little, probably 327 in it. The guy told me he was wanting to get it painted, couldn't get it in, so I painted it himself. Not the most beautiful paint job in the world, but it'll do. Got a console in it, floor shifter, bucket seats. It's got a shifter on the column too, so I got a feeling that console and then bucket seats will probably an add-on, but that's all right, no big deal there. And we got a Roush Mustang here, kind of cool. See if I can zoom out. Oh, look. There we go, that's a little better, I think. All right, then we got a dune buggy here. It's got a Volkswagen engine in it. 1971 it says. Wow, this thing's pretty old. Been around a while. Got a little Volkswagen engine. It's pretty cool. And then we got a Yenko Camaro. Nova, sorry. Yenko Nova. I don't know if it's a real deal, probably not, but I wish he'd open it up so we could see it, but we can't. Pretty cool. There's another Chevelle. Yeah. That's nice. 66. $66? 66? 67? Okay. I say 67 look, was a little more square in the back, I think. Yeah. Cool car. Huh?
No original except for the wheels.
Really? Got a 327 in it? 283?
283, single barrel.
2 barrel? Probably not a single barrel on a V8.
Yeah, 2 barrel.
Open the hood, let's see. Probably in the grill. No? There it is. Yeah, that's a 2-barrel. 283 2-barrel. Got air conditioning and everything on it.
Yep. And it's cold too.
Yeah, cool.
They drive this car all over the place. They drove to Florida.
Yeah. Neat car. Is it for sale?
I guess everything's for sale for the right amount of money.
What's the right amount of money?
He turned down 50, I think, for it.
Oh, really? That's nice.
He'd probably take it now, though.
He'd probably take it. Well, it's all original except the wheels and the paint job. Paint job's not original.
Yeah.
There's no way that's original. 92,000 miles, it says. Pretty cool. All right. Then we got another rat rod here. An old Dodge. Probably a 46, maybe? No, 1940. Okay. Almost looks like the 48 I'm working on. Except mine's a Chevy. Then we got a couple Novas here. That's pretty cool. They both got 307s in them, it says. Don't see very many of those. These are probably 71, nope, 68s. That one's a 68 anyhow. Yep, both 68s. 68 Novas. I thought might be newer because of the wheels and center caps, but I guess they're not. Pretty cool. It's another nice Impala. Probably a 66, I'm gonna say. Got a 283 in it as well, 2-barrel. Not bad. Another Roush Mustang here. Pretty car, I like that color. It's like a Daytona blue or something. 2014. What color is this? Daytona. What is it? Grabber blue. I thought maybe it was the Daytona blue. It's pretty. Nice. All right. Oh, look at this. We got something down here. Got a drop top. 68 Fairlane. 69 Fairlane. Okay, I was close. Pretty cool. Yep, Fairlane 500. You don't see very many of these. Kind of neat. Got a floor shifter in it. Drop top. Pretty cool. Shelby GT. Signed by Carroll Shelby himself. Look at that. That's pretty. I like that. Wow. Yep, got the tag on it. Nice. There's a 69 Chevelle. Yep, 69 Chevelle SS. Nice little car. Got a little 350 in it. Yep. Had a little work done to it. Pretty clean. Can't see inside of it, but it looks nice. Got the old cowl hood on it. 30 Model A. Another rat rod. Those are popular down here. Pretty cool. There's a 56. It's a 56 Chevy, I believe. No, wait, look. Oh, no, it's a 55. That's right. Oh, yeah, 55. Okay. This one here, they don't got the hood up on it. But it's got a fancy interior, and look at that. Fancy interior. Beautiful car. That's nice. I like that interior. That's gorgeous. Needs a new paint job, but all that is money. 2023 Subaru. Interesting looking car. And we got a, it's like a Willie or Buick Special. I don't know what year it is, it doesn't say. Probably 40s. It's pretty cool. Not bad. Check out the interior on it, I guess you might as well. Oh yeah, that ain't bad looking. Yep. A lot nicer than it was new, I'm sure. Whoop, I knocked the mirror down. Got to put it back up. There we go. All right. We got an old step side here. 80s model. And here's an old school Camaro, kind of like my Chevelle. It's got the raked look, the fatties in the back and the skinnies in the front. Slapper bars on it. Pretty cool. 68, I believe. See if I'm right. See, no, yeah, it's not a 67 because it doesn't have wing windows. So I think it's a 68. Yep, 68. Got a little Vortex small block in it. Not a bad looking car. 4-speed, look at that. Nice. Not bad at all. Here's a really nice 66 short bed Chevy truck. Yep, 66. This thing's beautiful. Look at the interior on that. That's gorgeous. Very nice. Look at the bed. That's what the bed on my 48 is going to look like when I'm done with it. Beautiful. That's a beautiful truck. All right. We got a fairly new Camaro drag car. This thing here is nothing but freaking get up and go. Gigantic freaking precision turbo on it. I'm sure this thing screams. Nice. Here's a 63 Impala, I believe. Probably got a little 283 in it. Nope, 327, air conditioned. Still got the generator on it, which is kind of rare. 62 Impala. Okay, I got that one year off. It's a little 4-door, but it's a cool car. Besides, it's got the original interior in it. Nice. Showing. Can't quite see it. Showing 97,000 miles on the clock. Not bad for 97,000 miles. That's a cool car. I like that. Here's a 70 or 71 Cheyenne. It says 350. Yeah, it's got the 350 in it. Looks a little dirty. Needs to go to the car wash. 71, okay. Nice. This yours?
Yeah.
Okay. Pretty.
The judges was by looking at it, and I said, "You guys notice anything different about this truck?" He said, "Oh, I said, if you look over on that side, it was ordered with a toolbox down in the bed.
Oh, okay.
3/4 tons, so you could get them all the time like
Right.
that, but half tons is rare to get one with a toolbox made in the bed."
Huh. Well, that's kind of a rare option then.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a
Comes
70.
with back glass and everything with it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I got a 70.
70 model.
Yeah, with a big block in it. Needs restored, but it's in my house.
Yeah.
Then I got a 72, I think, inside my building. So I got a couple of them.
Yeah.
I like them.
They've always been my favorite truck.
Yeah, they're nice. Nice truck. So he says it's got a toolbox on the side. Let's go look at that. Huh? Oh yeah, look at that. Factory order with a toolbox. That's a pretty rare option there. That's cool. All right. And then we got, let's see what else we got here. It's another Mustang. 2018. Mustangs are popular around here, I think. Camaro. Then we got the pink, I'm gonna say 32 Ford, I believe. This may have been in one of my other videos. Yep, 34 Ford. Yeah, it's got the Chevrolet motor in it. Gotta love it. Ford with a Chevy motor. Oh yeah. Pink flame. There we go. Here's a Mitsubishi turbo, twin turbo Mitsubishi. Don't see them very often. Got it fixed up, and another Mustang there. That one there is supercharged. Look at that. Got a blower on it. Probably runs real well. Okay, let's see what else we got. Alright. Got a 68 Stingray here. Seen this car before. Got a little 327 in it. Real nice, clean looking car. Got a 4-speed. Yeah, I like that. Pretty. Nice. We got a Challenger next to that. Let's keep looking at this one though. Pretty cool car. Got a little 327. Not bad. This Challenger's a 2021. 392 it says. Nice.
Rolling again, door prize. Green ticket, 766028. 766028.
36 and a half Chevy truck.
It is donated by the Robert
Wow.
Hollis Insurance Agency
Got a Vortec engine
here
in
in
that.
Willow Springs. It is
Pretty.
a 65-piece Stanley tool set.
Beautiful, beautiful. Let's look inside this thing. Pretty. Not much room in there. She's tight. But it's cool. Wood bed in it. Beautiful. Beautiful truck. All right. Got air conditioning and everything. And we got a 57 Chevy. Pretty. Got a little small block in it. Air conditioning. Yep. Beautiful car. Gotta love that. Yep. It's pretty. All right.
That's a pretty little dog.
Yeah, he's all right.
Is he spoiled?
A little bit. He's old.
He's old.
Yeah, he's old. He's 15.
How old?
15.
15, really?
Yeah.
Why, he's still pretty spry for 15.
Yeah, he ain't too bad. He gets fed good, so.
Well, yeah. He doesn't look like he's missing any meals.
Nope, he ain't. All right, there's a 57 again. Talking to these guys, 56 Ford truck. Got a Ford engine in it, that's good. Ford engine with a GM distributor, it looks like. I don't know, maybe they made a way to fit those. That's kind of weird. Yeah, that's nice. Did a good job on that one. That's got the same steering wheel that Bo's 48's gonna have in it. Pretty. There's a 70, no, this is probably a 60 something, isn't it? Nope, 72.
Still looking for
72
ticket
Chevy
number
truck.
766028.
Got a big block in it. Probably a 454, I'm
6028.
guessing. I don't know. Got fatties on the front and the back. Cool. Ready to eat. Nice, houndstooth interior. That's what they call that pattern, houndstooth. Big old tack in it. Yeah. Bed liner. I like this paint job, that's pretty.
This car's mine.
Pretty truck, okay. Yep.
I got a buddy that does that.
All right. And we got a 37 Ford with a Chevy motor in it.
Good.
Oh yeah. Nothing wrong with that. Digital dash. Huh. Well, that's a stereo. Huh. Oh, there's the dash over there. That's the stereo, huh?
Need me to open the door?
Nah, I'm just going along filming. It's a pretty cool car.
He put the radio on this side so his wife couldn't turn it off all the time.
or change the channel. It's pretty. All right, got the sideways hood on it. You gotta love that. That's cool. Nice. Here's a Tahoe, 96 Blazer. Yep, that's cool. Lift it up a little bit. They got another square body here, probably an 80, 70, 86. Got the little small block in it. Nice looking little truck. Yeah. Pretty cool. We got another Corvette. 1970 model. And the paint on this thing is called Razzleberry. It's really pretty red, like a candy apple red color. That's beautiful. Beautiful car. Got the 4-speed in it as well. Yeah, that's
Last
nice.
time on green ticket number 76,
a red top.
6028. 76 6028.
There we go.
Green ticket.
Pretty. Fancy wheels, side pipes, and everything on it. Nice. It's a Z. 95 Corvette, 5.7. One of the last years they put the 350s in them.
Yeah.
Cool. Not bad. All right, here's something for you Mopar guys. 72 Plymouth Scamp. Got a little, I don't know what this is, doesn't say. 318, 340 probably. Probably a 340. Nice looking little yellow car. Pretty cool. Yeah, not bad. Got the stripe on the back. Factory wheels. All right. Pretty cool. And next to that we got a Dart Swinger. What year is it? 69 Dart Swinger. And this has got the 340 in it. This is a beautiful car. They painted under the hood and everything. It looks gorgeous. Did a really good job on it. I got a little information board here. Pretty cool. Talks about it a little bit. 6,000 RPMs for less than $3,000. I bet it's worth more than $3,000 today. There you go. Look at that. $2,984.30. Bumblebee stripes, performance hood, 344 speed. Oh yeah. Dual exhaust, Hurst shifter. Sweet. That's cool. Oh, bench seat with a floor shifter. Look at that shifter. Look at the way it's bent. It's bent 90 degrees to make it work. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Got the Steelies on it. Nothing wrong with that. All right. Quite a few cars here today, eh? GT Mustang. Pretty cool. Then we got probably an 88 Blazer with a 350 in it, stuffed in there. Looks like they did a good job on this. Got some ground effects on it. It says 383, so I'm assuming that's what it is. Nice truck. Very nice. Same year as my old truck with a Vortec in it.
Everybody does that tunes.
Pretty. All right, got some nice chrome wheels on. I like that paint job. It's kind of an orangey red. Then we got a Thunderbird. I'm not sure what year this is, probably a 90s, 89. Don't normally see these in a car show, but this one here has a supercharger on it, so it's kind of unusual. Don't see them very often. Interesting. I'm guessing this is about a 70 model, maybe? 71 Chevy pickup. This got a Vortec in it, so they modernized it, fixed it up. Pretty cool looking. Nice interior on it. I like that seat. That's nice. I need that seat for my truck. It's pretty. All right. Got the cold air intake on it. Clean windows. Yeah. Another Mustang. They're popular here today, I guess. Pretty cool. We got the bounce house and the slip and slide. All right. What do we got over here? We got a T-bucket. Can't have a car show without a T-bucket. 27 T-bucket. 350 Chevy in it. Another Ford with a Chevy in it. I guess Ford didn't make very good motors. They put all these Chevy motors in Fords. It's pretty cool though. Got a soft top on it. Not much room in there to move around in. Dual quad tunnel ram. Open headers. She's probably a little loud. Disc brakes on the front. Here we got one for sale. 54 Ford Skyliner. There you go. If anybody wants to buy a Skyliner, there's the phone number. And check this out. They put a plexiglass panel in the hood so you can see the engine with the hood closed. It's got a little 302 in it, I'm guessing. Probably a 5.0. Looks like it. Pretty clean car, really. Two-door, got the lake pipes on it. That's what they call those, lake pipes. They got a little cap there you can open or close. They used to run those back in the day. They'd put the cap on, drive around town. When they wanted to drag race, they'd take the cap off, have open exhaust. There's the interior on that. Got kind of a, I don't know what you call this, mauve or peach color interior. And check this out, guys. It's got a see-through roof. Very unique. You can see the world in them. Check that out. Ain't that cool? She's for sale. Anybody wants a... Got Lincoln Continental hubcaps on it. She's for sale. Anybody wants a 54 Skyliner. Pretty cool. Pretty nice car. I like it. I got a 90s Camaro here, 96. Oh, no, Firebird, sorry. That's a Firebird, not a Camaro. Don't want to offend anybody. Convertible, nice. 57 Chevy. Got a little 350 in it. Air conditioning and everything, too. Look at that. This is really pretty orange color. Real nice interior on it. Dash is beautiful. They painted the dash to match the body. Orange and white interior. Oh, you couldn't miss this car going down the road. It'll blind you. Got the old rally wheels on her. Not bad. All right. And I've talked about this car before. Made a little video of it. 59 Ford Starliner. This is the very unique car. I saw this one in, I think, Winona last year, if I remember right. And it's got a hard top that retracts down into the trunk. So the trunk lid raises up. All automatic with motors. Trunk lid raises up. Roof drops down inside the trunk. Trunk lid drops back down. Very cool car. Beautiful. Looks like it's in really good shape. I think I said the year was wrong when I said it last time I talked about it, but it's got a mirror on one side and a spotlight on the other. Check that out. Ain't that cool? All right, that's pretty. 59 Skyliner, yes, Starliner, Skyliner. It's a 69 El Camino. Yep, 69. Got a little 350 in it. Looks like they modernized the air conditioning on it a little bit. It's pretty cool. All right, got the column shift. I don't know if it's a true SS or not, but it might be. I have no idea. I don't know how to tell. Well, it says SS 396 on it. It's got a 350 in it, so don't know.
Nice dog. Hi, buddy. Can I pet your dog?
Sure, you can pet him. He don't mind.
Good dog. Oh, now I'm picking first.
All right. Somebody's petting my dog. Okay. It's got the rallies on it too. And here's a 56 Chevy. Got the original straight six, probably a 235. Looks like kind of a brown color. Got the old bias ply tires on her still. White walls, fat white walls. Column shift, probably a 3-speed. Manual 3-speed. Yep, there's a pedal down there. Manual 3-speed, just like my old 55 has. This is a 4-door, just like mine. Got a lot nicer paint job than mine does, though. But it's a pretty cool looking car. All right. Pretty nice. Got the houndstooth interior too. Okay. And last but not least, got the Lakeland Pharmacy truck. This is sponsored by Lakeland Pharmacy. I don't know what year this is, probably 40s. Got a little small block in it. Pretty cool little truck. Fixed up nice on the inside. Looks good. Got the old bow ties on the door panels. This is cool. Don't see many of these. Nice. License plate says RXR US. That's a pretty cool truck. I like it. All right. Okay, there we go. All right, guys, so that's the car show in Willow Springs, Missouri. Hope you enjoyed the cars. Talk to you later. Bye. Whoops.